Hello guys, so this is the second video, so please check my first video how to boot Rufus USB plus Windows 10 into this USB, so you can check out in my video. So for this video I will show you guys how to enable booting window key F12. So F12 here, so it's not working. Let me show you it's not working. So how to do so? So when you open here, just click restart here, click restart, and then I will click F12. So it's not working. Okay, F12, it's will coming out now. Yeah, enter. So you see it's not working. So what's to do? So please watch this video out, follow me step by step. So it's not working, just wait up, it will open up, and then you restart again, and then I will have a way to set up the setting. Okay, so it opened up, so you restart again, restart here, and you ready to type F1 here. So waiting. Be ready to press F1 here. Yeah, waiting here. So here, go to config here by use arrow key, the right, left, up, down. So config, go to the right here, config USB, and then you enter. Make sure the USB UEFI BIOS is enabled. Yeah, it's enabled. So you go back ESC. So right key here. Go to the right side. Yeah. Start up. Go down this arrow key. Down a little bit. Yeah, you see F12 option here. Boot device F12 option is disabled. Just so you must enable it. Click enter. So yeah, enable. So now it's enabled now. So to save it, just click F12 or F10. Sorry, F10. Click F10 here. Okay, so you want to save the configuration? Yes. Enter. Yeah. Okay, be ready to type F12. It will working now. Yeah, see, it's working. So you can boot Windows. Yeah, it's very good. So up USB. This is the Windows 10 that you must boot in this laptop. So that's all. I think it is important for you. Please subscribe for more video. Bye bye.